Hi everyone, welcome to this brand new lecture. In this lecture we are going to evaluate the Boolean variables and we will be seeing how you can compare multiple variables together and then based on the values of the Boolean variable you can perform the operation. So there are two types of the Boolean variable. It's the true and false. So the true is logical 1 and false is a logical 0. The true means something is like yes and the false is something like no or a 0 value. For example, if I say 1 greater than 2, this is no because this is false, right? But if I say 1 is greater than 0.2, then obviously this is correct. So we get the value as the true. We can also say that 10 equal to 10, that's the true, that is why we are getting here true. But if we say here 10 equal to 9, this is false. So this Boolean value we are getting as a false there. You can check the type of this as well, like 10 equal to 10. So the type is Boolean. Alright, it doesn't matter whether it gives false or a true, but the type will be always there, a bool type. Alright, you can also compare a string as well together. For example, let's say if I say here age equal to age, of course these two strings are the same, so we will be getting here a true. But if I put here additional space, then this will be evaluated as the false there. Alright. And if we put here additional space and we say there age not equal to age with space, then obviously we know that these two are not equal in string. That is why it is true. Let's say if you want to evaluate 1 equal to 1.0, then what happens? You see there the float value and the integer value of these two variables are equal. That is why this is giving us a true result here. So what happens here, although we are having two different data types while comparing these two values, but still the result is true here. But at the same time, if you say here something like this, 1 equal to the string value of the 1, this is false because the string 1 is not equal to the integer 1 in no way. Similarly, you can also check this with the float 1. There are other ways to evaluate the string and with the Boolean variables. So for example, let's say I have a string data there, like this is a KGP Talkie channel. Alright. So in this, if you want to find out a particular substring is found in a variable or not. For example, let's say I want to find out the KGP Talkie in A. It is there, it is present there. That is why we are getting result as the true here. But if we change it like KGP space Talkie, it is not present in the string. That is why we are getting there a false value. If we remove this KGP, we just check with the Talkie. Now we say there, we see there a Talkie is present inside this string. That is why it is saying this is a true. So that's how you can use your Boolean variable to compare two numbers or two data types or two variables together. And in coming lectures, we will be also seeing how you can take action based on the Boolean value, whether true or false, which we will be covering in our conditional statement lecture. Alright, I'll see you then.